on video.
There goes Troy.
There goes Troy. What if this one might have middle engine? Sorry if my glove kind of goes in front of the camera. I'm not meaning to. Yeah, I know. I was saying that.
Wait, do you think this is kilo 91?
No, because that train is usually a really short, like it has usually the juice cars at the beginning, and then not the juice cars, the refrigerator cars. Troy, what if this has a middle engine? Oh, no other engine. You're filming the next train. Of course, the one with the middle engine we did get on video. There it goes. Okay. And Troy wanted me to show this. This is Troy going down. Well, as the train goes, there's Troy go.
It's really
Go. All right, see ya. Yeah, you can kind of see the train. All right, see ya.